With decentralized finance, DeFi, turning into all the rage, calculation and science-supported cryptographic forms of money appear to be administering the blockchain framework world. While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed. At present the IOTA digital money trades, Universe Network is flooding ahead with delicate mint center and its remarkable Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure, having pronounced its venture worth $15 million. Universe digital currency can be exchanged through crypto trades. The Universe Network helps the development of Molecule Token. Universe digital money, all the more prevalently known by its local symbolic IOTA, has as of late been dynamic in the crypto market, performing wonders. Before we start with genuine Universe cost forecast, how about we really take a look at definite outline of the coin? Universe, IOTA, the secret decoded. Universe is depicted as blockchain 3.0. The environment highlights savvy contract usefulness as well as offers a safe and exceptionally secure arrangement of exchange and exchanging without any brokers included. Universe biological system likewise contains Universe Center. The organization's Hyperblocks auxiliary runs validators that assist with getting the Universe blockchain. Universe Network utilizes a non-concurrent Byzantine issue lenient agreement model to approve exchanges. Universe is a token on the Universe Center point. Molecule tokens are utilized for security purposes. Blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this digital currency, the whole peculiarity and essential focal point of Universe, particle, is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash point of view as well as involving Universe for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations, applications, games, to give some examples which can be based on the stage. It gives them worldwide extension, a wide organization of clients and apps, decentralized applications, and consistent turns of events and updates. Universe, molecule, verifiable information and specialized investigation. Instability is the sign of any digital currencies, as is valid for Universe also. In December 2019 Cosmo began its progressive however consistent exhibition. Despite the fact that it saw a fall and bull run in WAC 2020 to a low of $1.60, it had followed the recuperation way. The pandemic appears to have made way for Universe with its exceptional exhibition. Universe has beaten a record gain according to crypto estimates by accomplishing the cost of Universe to $6.50, finishing strong for exchanging. The help level is $29.936 and opposition level is $33.325. Universe estimate, market opinion. The more, the merrier, thus the more the specialists, the more the feelings for Universe, IOTA, cost expectations, news. In view of our cost forecasts and Universe cost examination, a drawn-out increment is normal at Universe, particle, value. The guess for 2026 is $173.331 in light of the ongoing developments. With a 5-year venture, the cost activity income is supposed to be around plus 380.81% in the Universe digital money market. In light of the ongoing cost and our IOTA cost expectation information, the Universe, particle, cost has been on an upturn for the beyond 1 year. Our cost expectations bring a few factors into records, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparable coins. Future IOTA cost is anticipated at $73.55541 following a year as per our cost conjecture. In light of our molecule cost expectation, the greatest worth may be around $33.52. A base cost of $26.19 toward the finish of 2022. The typical Universe, IOTA, cost for December 2022 may be $21.70. Universe cost gauges toward the finish of 2023 may be around $46.60. Universe, IOTA, cost expectations. The particle USD will shoot up and arrive at a Universe value scope of $120.16, in the end possibly scaling even to an astounding $1 trillion market cap because of the ascent popular for DeFi resource in the following 5 years to stop by dealers. As per news and our particle cost forecast, a ton of IOTA projections are in the pipeline anticipating discharge. Right from the outset idea search stage to the testing stage and before the year's over, a ton of new ventures would have been finished. Consequently, by and large around bullish value expectations of crossing an unequaled high of digital money cost $31.47 setting out additional open doors to exchange, purchase universe making it a productive speculation. Be that as it may, as of late, it confronted a sharp downfall. Universe cost today waits around $30.26 with a market capitalization of $8,656,770,273.81 and a flowing stockpile of 286,370,297 molecule. The 24 hours exchanging volume of Universe, molecule, is $607,883,319.19. The ongoing cost of Universe is $31.06. Universe value expectation 2022. As per particle forecast, with various organizations and coordinated efforts in local area subsidizing, the digital currency market glances back at molecule to perform arriving at a value level of $63. Which is very hopeful yet unquestionably practical toward 2022 in the momentary's end. Universe value expectation 2023. With any progressions in government strategies and guidelines, the particle cost might have its portion of cloudy days. Assuming molecule cost holds the help at the 100 SMA immovably, purchasers will then have adequate chance to sell Universe for acquiring benefit and soundness. In the principal a portion of the cost may be $60. Toward the finish of 2023, the anticipated high of molecule may be around $75. Universe value expectation 2024. Dashing up to peak won't be consequently so challenging for Universe cost as extra short, medium, and long-haul value targets can be found to trade molecule. Beginning with at least $63 and the drawn out it might cross $90. Universe value expectation 2025. Molecule USD however plunged yet in view of forecasts and obstruction level. One of the most bullish on-chain measurements for IOTA is the huge expansion in the quantity of particle coins saved into the agreement. In the primary around 50% of the cost may be $81. Universe, particle, cost is set to give promising indications arriving at a peak of $105 toward the finish of 2025. Universe value expectation 2026. Updates will push the adaptability of the